Inside the box, the presentation is clean and well-structured, with all components arranged in a logical, easy-to-identify layout. The ELECFREAKS Smart Cutebot Pro chassis comes pre-assembled, with the microbit board and the ultrasonic sensor included too, ready to be installed by the user. Alongside these core elements, I found the USB cable for programming, a printed quick start guide, documentation, and a large format line-following map neatly folded. Overall, the unboxing experience feels purposeful and complete, with every component accounted for and clearly presented, encouraging a smooth transition from unpacking to assembly and first use. From a hardware standpoint, the Cutebot Pro is thoughtfully engineered. The chassis is sturdy enough to withstand repeated handling in a classroom environment, while still remaining accessible for modifications and expansions. The inclusion of multiple expansion ports, including GPIO, I2C, and servo interfaces, makes it clear that this is not a closed system, but a platform intended for growth. The closed-loop motor system is the defining feature, enabling precise control over distance and turning angles. This opens the door to more advanced programming scenarios, such as path planning and repeatable movement sequences. The onboard components, including RGB lighting, headlights, and a buzzer, add both functional and visual feedback elements that are useful during development and debugging. This combination of electronic and mechanical expandability makes the Cutebot Pro particularly well suited for iterative, project-based learning.